These are the parts of our prototype electric styro cutter. Handle. This is used to hold the cutter safely. Bow hot blade. This makes clean and fast cuts. Heating wire bow cutter. This cuts the styrofoam smoothly. Wires. The refill. Heat controller. This heats the wire evenly, alongside with the power cord. And clip, used to connect to the battery. Marker pen. This is used to draw cutting lines. Power supply. This gives power to heat the wire safely. Styrofoam. This is the material we cut. This is our model electric styrofoam cutter. First, we attach the holder to the handle. Then we connect the heat controller to the power supply to make the wire function. Then we're gonna use the marker pen to create guidelines to the styrofoam. We're gonna on the heat controller first. Then use the switch to the handle to function the electric styro cutter.